Good morning. So I will continue Motor Vehicle Act uh, decisions which will help to for the needy society people as well as advocate. Given case, validity of license. Compact International versus V Bajaj Allianz General Insurance Company. So when there was a insurance case, the license validity was considered. They say actually he would have been granted license for 20 years, but the authorities have granted him only for 5 years. Therefore, if the record says that the expiry date of license was different, but under section 2 of the section 14 of the SET Act, since he is entitled for license for 20 years, so that date was extended, and thereafter second renewal for 2 years was discussed there, and the insurance was fixed for liability. Then the Vehicle Act, Amrit Pal Singh versus Tata AIG General Insurance Company, 2018-5 Supreme Court 499, wherein there was a violation of condition of carrying more passengers. That should be that factum should be proved by the insurer. Therefore, on failure, only oral allegations would not be appreciated. Therefore, compensation was ordered. Then, question of (104) of the Motor Vehicle Act. See, the proviso, if there is a proviso, that should be read with the main section. That was the law of interpretation. Kerala State Road Transport Corporation versus Baby PP and another 2018-6 Supreme Court 460. See, you cannot introduce a new route, and when you have already introduced a certain route, and temporary permit on curved out route granted is not permissible. Therefore, RTA rightly rejected the claim for grant of permit. Then important jurisprudence case. Those who are interested in jurisprudence may follow this case. Vimala Devi versus National Insurance Company, 2018-4 CCC 524, wherein the section 140 and 163A, the claim petition is neither a suit nor an adversarial list in the traditional sense. So, adversary system is normal common law process. Alternative dispute system is newly facilitated for early and proper disposal of the cases. Therefore, since the Act is complete code means substantial as well as procedural code, like NDPS Act, Railway Protection Act, these all are substantial, not only it's a complete code. This is all Motor Vehicle Act is also complete code. That was the discussion. So this would help you in writing jurisprudence cases. Then the question of Nissan Singh versus Oriental Insurance Company. The vehicle involved in an accident, and compensation may be given even if did not allege that the owner or the driver of the vehicle driven rashly and negligently. That need not be proved. That was the case. Therefore, it's not criminal case to prove rash and negligent driving, but the accident itself is suffice to decide the case. This judgment was followed Indira Devi versus Bagada Ram case, 2010 SCC 249. Then again Vimala Devi case, decided. Vimala Devi case, they say the same proposition that wrongful act, neglect or default of the person need not be proved. Then the owner of the insurance failed to prove that the driver or offending vehicle did not have valid license. So onus is on the owner to establish the driver is having authorized to drive the vehicle, but then the ownership to the insurance company to prove that the license is not valid or renewed, whatever it may be. Therefore, insurer directed to pay the compensation and to recover from the owner of the vehicle. This is Papu and another versus Vinod Kumar Lamba and another 2018 one, Supreme Court 137. Therefore, recovering of compensation for the reasons by the insurer must pay and recover from the owner of the vehicle. So you should concentrate that no license simply because the people are mechanically investing the money and conducting the cases. Therefore, they neglect the cases where the opposite party driver did not have license and so many things. But you kindly go through these judgments and follow that. Then Vimala Devi versus National Insurance Company case. This was on earlier occasion I have referred a judgment wherein it was stated that under section 158(6), it is duty of the in-charge police or station to report the accident to MACT. MACT means Motor Accident Tribunal. Then it is the duty of that tribunal to take that report as a claim petitions. This was the case. Then another case, an important case, wherein Shivaji versus Divisional Manager, United India Insurance, 2018-8, Supreme Court 454, where because there was a delay, time base of structured formula, compensation may not be denied by the insurer for negligence and the counterclaim of compensation. Then another cases are there which is not procedural. Srimati Suvarnamma versus United India Insurance Company Limited. Therein, insurance officials simply says the victim was unlawfully travelling on the tractor, and eyewitnesses evidence is contrary to that. Therefore, the court awarded the compensation. Then the section Prakash Chand Daga versus Saveta Sharma 2019-1 CCC 23 Supreme Court. Therein, the owner or driver includes owner was the definition discussed. 2019-1 judgment under section 2 subclass 30. The appellant driver not entering witness box, producing a fake driving license, producing another license already expired. Therefore, the court has directed the insurance company to pay compensation and to recover from the owner of the vehicle. That is Singram versus Nirmala 2082 Supreme Court 418. Then thereafter so many judgments are coming. which may be in another chapter.